Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is another video as part of my fall cleaning series, and I am tackling my refrigerator and also my freezer. If you're new here, I have a series going on my channel right now, and I am tackling every single room in my house and giving it a very thorough deep cleaning, getting ready for the holidays, getting ready for the winter, and just hoping to roll into the winter and the holiday season with a super clean house. So I'm going to have the playlist linked at the end of this video, so feel free to check that out if you are new or you just want to catch up on the videos that I've already done in this series. But yeah, so today's video, I'm tackling my refrigerator and my freezer. I'm going to do this video obviously separate from the rest of like my big kitchen deep clean. I wanted to break this video out because I just feel like if I added the fridge in with the kitchen deep clean would be like an hour long. I don't know when the kitchen deep clean video is coming, but it will be coming. I haven't filmed it yet, but I am uploading new videos weekly in regards to this fall cleaning series, so make sure you stick around. Here I am just going to be taking everything out of my refrigerator and also my freezer, scrubbing all the shelves, taking out all the drawers, hand washing the drawers, going through any expired food, decluttering, organizing the fridge. And actually, guys, this is a really exciting video for me, just because you guys know, if you don't know, I have been struggling with my weight recently. And just given how hectic my life has been, I actually lost almost 10 pounds. And unfortunately, in the past month, I have gained every single pound back, just really making poor food choices. So I was really excited to do my fridge and just like get back into meal prepping and having a really healthy fridge and having a really organized fridge, because I think that that's really the first step to just maintaining a good weight and losing weight and stuff like that. So I was very excited to do this video. So that is what this video is. I hope you enjoy it. I am sorry that the angles are a little off. I just feel like there's no good way to film a fridge clean out, but I'm sorry. I tried my best. It is what it is. But yeah, so that's what today's video is. I will pop back at the end of this video and just give you the final fridge tour. Also, this video was filmed in 2 parts. It was filmed at night, and then I did my freezer the day after when I got home from work. So I'm going to let some music play, and I'll be back.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So that wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it motivates you to get your fridge all cleaned up and organized. Make sure you come back. Like I said, new videos will be uploaded weekly for fall cleaning. So please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, so I know that you like it. Also, those containers that you just saw, those are from the Container Store. They are really cheap. I love them so much. You can use them for so many different things, so definitely check them out. Okay, I love you forever, and I will see you in my next video.